This one, it's just a short little video here, I feel. We're staying here in this Starway Hotel, which is about 2 kilometers from the center of Kunshan. Now, this hotel's pretty good because I linked up my computer to the TV using a HDMI, but the shortcoming is that I'm lying on the bed and I can't actually type things on my keyboard. I need a Bluetooth keyboard, but this is China, right? So what do? You just order a keyboard from Meituan for like less than 30 RMB and it gets to you inside an hour. I'm watching on the app exactly where it is, and he's due anytime. So this guy here, with his partner by the looks of it, delivered a Bluetooth keyboard for less than $10 Australian inside an hour. How amazing is that? And well, who knows if it even works, but for that price, we're willing to roll the dice. Alrighty then, it's the moment of truth and my little Meituan parcel here, my Bluetooth keyboard. Now, I did get an introductory offer. I think this is the first time I've used the platform, but just incredible. You can get stuff in China in less than an hour, pretty much anything apparently. And I had to make the minimum order value, so I actually got this pair of socks, which may or may not be worthwhile, but we'll try and give them a try tomorrow. I'm not going to bother unboxing them, but anyway, this was, well, for a start, supposed to be black. What fell on the floor there was actually a little USB-C cable by the looks of it. Look, I've used a heap of these things, and sometimes they last and sometimes they don't last. And somewhere here, if you can help me find it. Oh, no. Oh, there's a connect button up here in the corner. Really simple. Now, I expect there's probably also a bit of a charge in here that's powered up, and see whether she gets going. Look, lovely fresh color. And look, for the price and the weight, let's have a look at the quality. Look, it's just got a plain little steel back plane. It has got the keys there. We have got, keys don't feel too bad. I mean, for this price, you can't expect too much. Now, that was interesting. Looks like there's not too much charge in it. But let's give it a go anyway. Okay, let's press the connect button here, as you do with any of these sorts of devices. There we go. We've got a little blue light flashing away there. And that's so if we can add a Bluetooth device on my lovely Lenovo Legion. It's a Bluetooth device. We're using Windows 11. We've got a keyboard showing up here already. Oh, I bet you it's going to ask me to type in a number. No number necessary. Anyway, it's the moment of truth. Let's start up good old notepad that's never seemed the same again. And there we go. Here we go. Hello, world. Oh, amazing. So anyway, this is great because we're in a hotel here. Got the computer, got the HDMI cable you can see going from here up to the in-house TV. It's a cheapie, but it's does a job. But you're laying on the bed and you say, I got my mouse, I got no keyboard. How do I select my next YouTube movie or be productive? Anyway, we've got that sussed out now. Now, I did see in the instructions here as well, is that, as you'd expect with these things, it's just a winding up. Oh, by the way, if you do like this video and you like me unboxing ridiculous cheap things in China, then maybe write a comment or subscribe and I'll do more of it. I promise you that. I mean, China, having a good time. Anyway, let's have a look at these keys here. These are usually optimized, as we know, to be used on iPads, but I did see in the documentation on online when I was buying, as well as probably some instructions there in English, that you can obviously plug that into a Windows computer, Windows 11 there, but we expect it probably works pretty good with iPads, iPhones, and even with Android phones as well. I'll give that a go separately. Right now, I'm going to go lay on the bed. Anyway, this has been John Naylor. As I said, if you do like this content from Deja Vu Travel Magazine, as I variously do things in China, then please like and subscribe. Write us a comment, ask a question, ask me to do something, and I'll probably go out and do it just for shits and giggles. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.